Hey, you're welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful flower, this beautiful design. You can make it, use it to style your dress, your cap, whatever it is you're working on. Okay, so come with me, let's make this. Okay, so you go ahead and cut a circle like this. So I use a radius of 2 inches. You can see, you know how you're going to fold your angles to get a full circle. So I'll go on and use this template to cut out some pieces. Okay, so I'll be cutting out 5 pieces of this. So I'm just cutting it out in a rough way first. Then when I'm done, I'll go on and stitch and trim it out properly. So this is what it is. So I have 5 pieces here. You can see full circle. Okay, so now you're going to use this fire lighter or this lighter to secure the edges, because now I'm using a satin fabric. So I'm using satin, so to avoid the edges getting out, so I have to secure the edges properly with this lighter. Okay, so now I'm done the main job. So you're going to fold it this way. You fold it to 2 first. You can see, then you fold again, giving you this triangle or cone shape. Then use the lighter to secure the end. You can see. So you fold this way and fold again. And the part that is in two, you can see. The part that is in 2 pieces, we'll use the lighter to join it together. It's simple, guys. Just watch the video carefully. So I went ahead to do the same thing for the 5 pieces. Okay, so I have 5 of them. Then the next thing is to get a needle, put in a matching thread. So I'm using a contrasting color just for the sake of the tutorial so that it can be visible. Then you stitch this way. So we're going to use this and needle and sew it in a way that will be able to gather it. So just watch carefully, please. So it will be a continuous sewing for the whole 5 of them. So please, after watching, make sure to try out your own also and share the results with us. Okay, so we are done. So you now pull it together, arrange it. So I'll still pass the needle through the first one I started with so that I can bring everything together. You can see. So as you are arranging it, make sure your thread is firm so that you'll be able to secure the thread, and your flower also, your flower will come together beautifully. So this is it. So you work on it and make sure the flower is firm. You can see, so I have to secure it with the needle and thread properly and lock when you are done. So this is it. You can see it's making sense already. Then you look for maybe a button or bead to cover it up. So I have this with me and it's beautiful. So I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye.